Hi everyone, this is Dave and this is the Sony Xperia 10. It's a very affordable Android smartphone. It was very kindly loaned to us by Vodafone UK and I'm going to be sharing with you my opinion of the video capture and also the photographs that this produces. Now if you do want to check out the Vodafone website, there's a link down in the video description. But let's get on and talk about the cameras. Now this has got 3 cameras in total. The front facing camera is an 8 megapixel selfie camera and I think it produces really nice photos, nice tonality to them, a really nice colour as well. And I do also appreciate that it captures 1080p 30 frames per second on that front facing camera as well. If we move round to looking at the rear cameras, you'll notice that as well as the flash, there are in fact 2 cameras on the back. The primary camera is 13 megapixels, the secondary camera is 5 megapixels, and it actually captures a really cool format ratio to actually match the very tall, or very wide, whichever way you want to look at it, screen, which is a 21:9 aspect ratio. You can capture videos in up to 4K resolution in that 21:9 aspect ratio, or indeed in the more regular 16:9 widescreen, and you can also capture 21:9 ultra wide photos, and both of them look very pleasing. Again, a nice amount of detail in the photos. Love this ultra wide format. When it fills the screen, it looks just absolutely stunning. Again, a very good tonality, good detail, good rendition in the photos. And I think Sony have done a fantastic job on this. When it comes to video, the video is equally as impressive. I think for a very affordable smartphone, Sony have got a winner on their hands. The Sony Xperia X10 is available now. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, please do check out the links down in the video description. Also, let me know in the comments section below what you thought of both the photo and video performance. Thanks very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I'll see you in another video very soon.